Our students are not waiting to be discovered after graduation. We've got such an intensive atmosphere that our students are actively engaged in working in the theater right now, not waiting for validation that comes with a diploma. So our students are getting productions and awards and publications even before they graduate. One of the things that sets us apart from traditional low-residency programs is that you have that authentic, immersive classroom experience that's like a writer's room, engaging with other playwrights, talking about each other's work. We're bringing in working professional faculty members to engage our students in a really interpersonal way, but our playwrights are also working with other collaborators that you would work with in the profession, like actors, directors, designers, and so forth.
I think what the program does is it opens your eyes to all aspects of what it takes to nurture new work from the ground up, from inception all the way to production.
One of the things that's great about the 6-week structure is that it kind of mirrors a production schedule where you do 2 weeks of pre-production development, 4 weeks of rehearsal. And so the structure of the program itself is actually really conducive to helping train our playwrights for working in the profession.
This program actually is catered for anybody who's already working, who doesn't have time to take off to go back to get a degree, because it allows them to come for the summers to do the work in a laboratory setting where they're actually getting practical hands-on work that they can take back with them.
A lot of people kind of describe it as this semi-magical brigadoon for playwriting that kind of appears in this really beautiful, bucolic atmosphere of the Hollins campus, which is in the heart of this fantastic little city called Roanoke that is so supportive of the arts. And you have an opportunity to really engage in building your own personal community of relationships that will last you throughout your personal life and your professional career.
I have seen students begin this program with little experience and leave with a voice, with confidence. It's wonderful to see that kind of development, not just for them personally, but for their work.